Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if plus XLOOKUP function in Excel. As you know, if and XLOOKUP is very powerful function in Excel, and here you will see a table and leave status. So I am going to use this if and XLOOKUP function to find out whether these employees are eligible for leave or not. Okay, so I will use this table as a reference. Okay, this is leave balance of, and this is name of the employee, this is leave balance of the employee. Okay, so this is the leave status, so I will use the function. So the condition is if any employee has more than five or more than five leave remain. Okay, so he got leave approved, but if he has less than 5, then leave will be cancelled or rejected. So I will use the function, this if and XLOOKUP function, to find out, okay, to apply this condition. So first equals to, then if, okay, then we will use one more function, isna. Okay, isna. So if value is not found, okay, if anything is not found, okay, if the name is not found, so what happened? If these employee names are, if Rabi is not present in this list, so what happens? So first we will use this isna, then XLOOKUP. Okay, now it will ask for lookup value, so lookup value will be this name. Okay, now comma, lookup array. So lookup array will be first this one, okay, then comma, then this one. Now go back to the sheet. Okay, now bracket close. Okay, now this value is not found, so what happened? Comma, so name not found, name not found. Okay, then now if value is found, okay, so what happened? So we will apply if function again. Comma, okay, then if value is found, so what happened? If we will apply if function again, you have to use bracket open XLOOKUP. Okay, now this is lookup value, asking for lookup value, so you have to use again this function cell, comma, now lookup array. Now lookup array will be first this one, okay, comma, then this one. Okay, now bracket close. Okay, and here you have to type greater than or equals to 5. Now we have applied the condition, if these things or leaves are greater than or equals to 5, then what happened? Then leave approved. Okay, and if it is false, then means if less than 5, then what happened? Then equals to leave rejected. Okay, bracket close. Now you will see Aman leave approved. Now I will copy the formula. Now you will see, so like this you can use XLOOKUP function, if plus XLOOKUP function in Excel. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.